Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Today I am going to show you a complete tutorial on KoboToolbox. We will cover everything from creating an account, preparing a questionnaire, collecting data, downloading data in Excel format and visualizing it. So let's get started. Here in Google, just search KoboToolbox like this, then go to KoboToolbox here. First let's create an account. Here you can find sign tool. Just click over there and fill your details. Here you can find sign in or create an account. There are two options is there. One global KoboToolbox server, another European Union KoboToolbox server. If you are from other side of European countries, then you should create account first here in global KoboToolbox server. Just create an account. So we need to fill our details. First we need to choose our username and password. Then click on create account and here full name and username. You can select your username as your email ID also. Then email ID. Then your country name. Then sector. I'm going to select educational services and higher education. Organization name. Organization website, it's not mandatory, so we can skip it. Then password, choose one password like capital letter, then small letter, then special character, then number. You can also change your password after creating your account. So then password confirmation. You have to provide same password here. Just create account. So username must be between 2 to 30 character in length and may only consist lowercase letter, number and underscore. You cannot use here dot, like we can use here number like JayantaDas 85. That's it. We have to change our password again. Then create account. It's done. You can save it here. Now we have to go our email address. We'll get one confirmation email like here. Activate your KoboToolbox account. Just select it and now select this. Just click over there to confirm your account. Yes, it's confirmed. Now our next part, to prepare a questionnaire. For this, to create a new questionnaire, here the options new. Just click on new and build from scratch. There is 4 options there. Build from scratch, use a template, upload XLS form. So today I'll show you build from scratch. So select it and here the project title, project name, description and sector and country. 4 options is there. So first assign a name. It is for demonstration, right? Then for YouTube tutorial, right? So now sector, then country. We have to select from here, but you can search your country, like can't select like this. We have to select from here. Then create project. Now this form is empty. So now I will show you how to insert the questionnaire. Already I have prepared one questionnaire by literature review. Now I will show you how to add questionnaire here. So this is my questionnaire. So I will add this questionnaire one by one. Here, see this plus sign. So just click on this plus sign. Then you can add questionnaire here. Just click on it. Then add your questionnaire. We can copy and paste from here. Like first village name. Just paste it and add this questionnaire. See this option, this most crucial part. When you add questionnaire, there are many options like select one, then decimal, point, line, area, calculate, external, XML, hidden, rating, note, photo, date, text, time, audio, barcode, question, matrix, then file. So here this one, see village name. So select this one, select one, then select this text. So this is text. you can write here the question hint, like write name of the village. Okay, and select this one, this setting, and here see in default it is a no. Mandatory response is no. See, now just select yes. Again click over there, then you can add the second question like block, add question, then it should be text, or you can add here from drop down option. See, I have two block, so Rampurhat 1 and Rampurhat 2. Select it and yes. Next one, district. Already we have selected only one district, Birbhum, so we can select only one district, like select one, Birbhum. Then delete this option, delete. Next, this is a general household characteristics. So now respond details. So name first. This is a text format, name. It's also text. Select it and select mandatory. Again, next one, gender, male or female, gender, add question, then select one, male, female, and you can add here, see this one, this plus sign, just click over there and others. Select it, yes, again select it. Next is, so just click over there, is. Now see, this is a number. So there are two options, one decimal, another integer. So 1, 2, 3, this number. So we'll select this number. Now select the setting. Yes, it is mandatory. Now there are some logic and some validation criteria. You can add condition, like here we know less than 110. So one cannot add here more than 110. Okay, so S should be less than 110. S should be less than 110. Okay, then next one, education. Add, see, this is a blank, so one can write here as a text, or you can add multiple options. So I'll add here text. Next one, category. So you can add here the drop down, like general, then SC, then ST, then OBC. Select it. Yes, it is mandatory. Again select it. Then what is the main source of income? What is the main source of income? Now check these options. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 options. So simply we'll select add questions, select one, our first option agriculture. So just copy it and paste here. Then livestock. Next one, agriculture labor. Next one, small business. Next one, others. So now go to setting, yes, and click on it. Our next question, what kind of agriculture do you practice? Just copy it, add question, paste here, add question. We have multiple options like then fed only, then irrigation only, next rain fed and irrigation both, next others. Again save it. See, this is one group like general household characteristics. Okay, so we can make the group simply select this here and press the control button. Select all one by one. Press control button and press here. Okay, now go to here, create group with selected questions. Yes, this is group. If we select here group name, so we can now change this group name like general household characteristics. Just paste over there. Like now this is one group from village name, block, then district name, everything is there. Select yes. Now check here, there are two plus now. One above plus, this sign means you can add question in this group. And another plus here, you can add question beyond this group. So now I will select it here, this one. I want to add question beyond this group. So first one, this is one question. What is drought? It is a text format. Here, text and mandatory response. Now another question. What are the effects of drought? See this question, there is an option, there are many options. We have to add one by one, right? Like this way. So already I have prepared this question here. I will show you. I will show you how to add the rating scale, how to use the Android app for collecting data. Copy this and paste one by one. Now go to this setting here. This is also mandatory. Click over there. Again, this plus sign. So I'll show now how to add like this rating. There's a rating very high to very less, very high, high, medium, less, and very less. So I have used here 5-point Likert scale to collect this data. So here the question, please rate the following drought impact. So I'll just copy this one and here my questions. Please say the following drought impact and add question. Now we have to select here the rating, right? So we can add now question here, like here. And there's an option 1, 2, then we can add 3, 4, 5. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, and 5. Very less to very high. We can change it. This automatic. This is automatic. We can change it also. We can add here like question one by one. Just add this question. Next question. Enter your question here. Again plus sign. Next question. Just paste your question here. Enter your question. Next one. Next one. Last question. Now just select here, save button and save it. And you can make it permanent, like compulsory, like mandatory response. Okay, save it. Now see this one, this is preview from. Just select this preview from. It will look like this. General information, you can hide it. Village name, block, district name, gender, age. We cannot add here age more than 110. Education, general, what is the main source of income, what kind of agriculture do we practice. See, now this setting, they set the following dot impact 1 to 5. Now validate. See, all are compulsory. So we have to add here response. Without response, we cannot validate it. Okay, like this way. So select it now. Now this make one group. If you change it, just paste here control button. Paste control button. Okay. From here, if you want to make another group, just select it and create group name. Like here, group name. Farmer perception of drought and its impact. So it will create another group. So we have now two groups, one general household, see, and another farmer perceptions. Sometimes what happens, if you want to change this orientation, then we can change it like this way. We can drag and drop by pressing our left mouse. Okay, we can add this group in our library also. Now, most important part, save it first and return to this list. Select this. This is now in draft. Select this. Select this form. Now see this option deploy. We have to deploy it. If we deploy, then it will be live. We can access after that. So now deploy it. Yeah, it's deployed, done. This is version 1. If you modify again, then it will be version 2, version 3, like this way. Now, this is most important part, collect data. There is an option collect data. This option online and offline collection. Okay, we can collect in online mode and offline mode. So, see, here there is an option Android application. See this how many options is there? Online and offline, then online and online, then online only, then embedded wave from code, view only, and Android application. So we can add this questionnaire in our website also by embedded the web from code. And I will show you how we can use Android app for collecting our data. So just select this Android application. See the differences. If you use the website, then it will be KF. See, this is kf.kobotoolbox.org. If you use mobile application, then it will be .kc. See, .kc. So we have to use this org. We have to use username and password for KoboToolbox. Then we can use it. I'll show you how can use it. See, this is my another account and I have prepared this questionnaire for my student. So this questionnaire for comprehensive study of drought risk zonation in Birbhum district of West Bengal, India for semester 6, 2024, Department of Geography, Ramphurhat College. So if you need to edit this form, then you can edit, like go to here, see. First we have to select our project name, select it, then here the summary, then here the edit form. So we can edit from here. The same questionnaire, see general household characteristics, then farmer perceptions, then environmental impact, like very high, high, medium. This should be very low and very low, like this. My student prepared this questionnaire. See adaptation strategy and mitigations, then support for farmer. Like now, most important part is location and surveyed by. So we can easily add like location. If we want to add the location, like point data, location point, then you can add this question like this point. Then by GPS you can collect the point data by latitude and longitude, right? Then save it. After saving this, you can find these options, return to list, and again select it and go to form, and again you have to redeploy it. Already see this is a version 7, so already I have redeployed 7 times, so we can redeploy it again. Yes, okay, I want to overwrite it, then it will be changed into version 7 to version 8. I will show you now how to use the mobile setting. So we need ID and password. Using this ID and password, I will show you how you can install the mobile app, Android app, and how to collect this data. This is my mobile screen. So I'll show you how to install this KoboToolbox from Play Store. Just search here KoboToolbox. Here the first link, just click on install button. It is installing. Now open it. Okay. Allow it. See, we need these options. Already I have one account, so I have to change this username and server. So we have to change this username. See, we need to add this https://kc.kobotoolbox.org. Then we need to add here ID. Okay, this is my ID and this is my password. After adding this, we have to go this download form. Just go to here, the download form. Then get selected. This is my download form. Get selected. Okay, it's done. Now start new form. See, this is household survey for semester 6. So village name. Randomly I will select one. Tarapit. Next Rampurhat. Next Birbhum. Next name of the respondents, randomly I will select one. M Mondal. Next male. Next S 32. If you select 310, then it will be wrong. So education, suppose BA, then general, then livestock. Randomly I am selecting this. Next, impact, yes, if ES specify the year 2014, 6, just randomly I am selecting here. There are 5 options, very high, very low, like this. You have to ask to the respondent according to this. You have to fill it. Next, yes, 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 yes. Just randomly I am filling this. Suppose here environmental impact. If you want to ask to your respondent, then you should ask like this: how do you rate following environmental change due to the drought? And I will ask several questions, and you will give answer like 1 to 5. Like 1 mean very low and 5 mean very high. Accordingly you can answer. Then you can ask one by one. Just randomly I am selecting this. Then start geo point. This is the location point. See, trying to get location, please wait. It will be automatically saved when accuracy 5 meter. I am now in my room. That's why it's taking long time. 8.6.63 meter. It's required 5 meter accuracy. If you're outside of your room, then it will get easier. See, it's done. Latitude, longitude, altitude, and accuracy. So now click on next and solve it by next. Again I have prepared a location point, similar thing. Then finalize. You can save as a draft, then finalize it. Now see, ready to send. Go to there, ready to send, select it and send selected. It's all done. So now see, this is sent. So now it has been sent to our server. We can access now. Now our next part, how to access this data or how to download this data. Now go to this data section here in your KoboToolbox. You can find this project name, select it, and here you can see quick link, collect data, share project, edit form, preview form, table, report, gallery, download map. You can download from here or you can download from here also data. See, one thing, you can share your project, like you can add here user, okay, or you can invite. This is a shareable link. You can share to your team or you can share this link to the respondent. Now go to this data section. Here you can find, I want this data. See, this is, I just fill this data right now. If you select all, then see here 30 selected. After selecting this data, then we can download this, download data. Okay, there are various options there like CSV, then XLS. Okay, we can use Excel file like using this XLS. Select it and there's the option XML values and header. We need XML values and header. Okay, there are another advanced option is there. Advanced option, export, many options include group in header, like then store date, number, response as text. Okay, we can ungroup, any option is also available. Okay, after doing this, we can download, like export it. Okay, now see, it is ready now. Download this data. So I'll download it and show you. See our data. The start, end, then this is a group name, This is a district name. This is S. See, this is S. Education. Then category. Then general category. See, we have collected all data. Okay. Now I'll show you how we can download the map also. We have collected data from here. We can download the location. See, location, this one, latitude, then longitude, then here altitude, and here location positions. And this is surveyed by. This way we can download the location and we can prepare the map also. And we can also prepare the report. Just click on it and you can see here the frequency. See, this is the visualization of our data. Advanced option is there. How many percentage? 42% male, then female 34%. See, out of total here 16 male respondent and female respondent 13. Age mean 32.75, standard deviation 30.94. Okay, and education system is there, like ST, general, OBC, SC. We can prepare easily. We can use this one. If you want to save this, then just directly select it and save this image. Then we can download it like this way. Okay, we can paste it like, just select it and open one work file and paste over there. So we can easily use this diagram from KoboToolbox to our research. Advanced option is also there. We can select the advanced option. See that the frequency and percentage. Okay. So if you carefully prepare your questionnaire and if you carefully do your household survey, then definitely it will help you a lot. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my channel.